It's a 2012 Mercedes-Benz GLK. This GLK is up for anything, yet remains down to earth. It makes everyday life easy. And get ready for an impressive combination of features. V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, auxiliary audio input, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, AM/FM stereo, power folding driver and passenger side exterior mirror, leather steering wheel, and power heated mirrors. This from the Car Connection. From a purely practical standpoint, the GLK makes a lot of sense with a great driving position and plenty of space for 4 adults. 3 can fit in a pinch in back. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. Hurry in today for a test drive.
You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.